Hey friends, if you encounter the error, it looks like Windows didn't load correctly, then please watch this video. So first of all, update Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and select check for updates. So this is one thing that I will suggest as the preliminary solution, and post that you can try generic solutions like first SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Okay. The next solution is a check disk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Now press Y and hit enter once again. Okay, now the next solution is as follows. You will have to perform a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and go to recovery. Click on open system restore. If a restore point is not selected, then go to system protection, click on configure, select turn on system protection, and then click on apply, then on OK, and then click on create. Create a new restore point. Click on hit enter to create it, and then it will be creating a restore point. And once this is done, you can click on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.